Welcome to Mrs. Sou's Math World. Today we're going to discuss the content of MainBooklet 4.3. Do you still remember this pack of surgical masks? Mrs. O bought it beforehand. So right now, Mrs. O has bought this pack of masks for $10 per 20 pieces. And then Mrs. O has too many surgical masks at home, so I want to sell it to another lady. But I'm not going to use the same price to sell because Mrs. O want to earn money to make profits. So I would like to change it to $18 and going to sell it to June. You may think who she is. Alright, so in this question, Mrs. O is called the seller or called the merchant. Seller and merchant, they are the same thing. And June is the customer. So what does it mean by profit? Which is Mrs. O spent $10 to buy this. After that, she got $18. Alright? Okay. So that means profit, it will be equals to the money that she gets more. More means she got $18, but she spent $10. Okay, that means we need to subtract, and then the profit is $8. So this is basically the concept. She got $8. June spent $18 to buy the things, which was cost $10 to Mrs. O. So let's use the math terms of this session. So let's forget about June. She is the customer, she's going to buy. This time I want to talk about the things about Mrs. O. Mrs. O spent $10. In math term, it is called cost price. So the cost price is $10. And the price she is going to get means selling price. Okay? The spend and get means normal English. Okay? Normal English. In English term in English. And then the cost price and selling price are used as math term. So we use the math term to make the thing which is called profit. As a result, profit in the formula, it means selling price minus cost price if she can make more money. But of course, we also want to know the percentage of the profit that Mrs. O gets. Because the profit is $8, right? It looks like it is not many. But we have to see the $8 profit means how much compared with the money that Mrs. O has put. So Mrs. O has spent $10, right? And she get $8 more. The profit here is $8, right? I hope you still remember. So after that, you get 8 over 10 times 100%. The $8 and $10 you put together. Okay? Then cancel out. This is got 10. So actually, Mrs. O has got 80% of the profits. Isn't it a big percentage? But June said it is too expensive, So she's not going to buy it at $18. So Mrs. L decided to make it cheaper to be $12, and then June say it is still too expensive. Okay, then Mrs. L make another sale, and then finally she sell it at $8. Okay, then as a customer, June is going to buy it for $8. That means Mrs. L spent $10 to buy it. But then June buy it at $8. So that means Mrs. L get $8 at last. Well, it looks stupid, but sometimes it may happen. So that means she don't get any profit. I mean for Mrs. L, she don't have profit. So when we don't have a profit, it means it have a loss in math term. Okay? So loss means the money that Mrs. L had lost. Okay, Mrs. L has lost $2, right? So how to calculate it? So she used spend dollars to buy it, but she only get $8. As a result, she has lost $2. In math term, loss means cost price minus selling price. And the loss percentage is equals to 2 over which one? Should be the cost price. Cost price here. That means 2 over 10 times 100%, which is 20%. Okay, so these are the points of view of who? Of Mrs. L. As a result, we have discussed the formula for profit percentage and loss percentage of MainBooklet page 6. So please go to page 7 to have a look how to use them. In demonstration 1, Miffy spent $60. That means this is the cost price. Let me highlight it in blue for cost price. And then bought it with $87. Okay, so this time because its profit is about Miffy, okay, so the green one is the selling price, and the profit will be selling price minus cost price. Okay, selling price minus cost price. Okay, so this time profit percentage is X%. That means that one we find the profit first. Profit is $27 here. And then we use the percentage formula for profit. Okay, so 27 divided by the cost price times 100%, then you can calculate the cost percentage and put back the X as result. Okay, the story is the same for loss. Just for similar to the example before. So the cost price is the same, it's also $50. But this time, she sold it to Poppy with $45. So that means this time, Melanie has lost $5. Okay, so this one is the upper part of fraction. And the lower part is still the cost price. Times 100%, then we can know the value of loss percentage. In the next video, we will discuss this part in the point of June's view, which is the customer. That's the end of Mrs. L's math world. See you next time.